Hello everyone, Namaste, and how are each one of you doing? How has your week been? Today I'm going to ask you this question. If life had a skip button, would you use it? I'm sure each one of us at some point in our lives has wished that life came with a skip button. Not rewind, not pause, just skip. Imagine if we could skip the awkward conversations, skip the long, uncertain words, skip the heartbreak, skip the confusion, skip the days that feel like they're stuck in buffering mode. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? But I want to share this short story with you before we decide whether to use the skip button or not. A man once inherited a strange device from his grandfather. It was small, smooth, and had just one button labeled skip. Now there were no instructions, so he was curious and he pressed it. In an instant, he found himself 3 days in the future. Same room, same clothes, but the argument he had been dreading, gone. The tension, gone. Interesting, at least that's what he thought. And so he decided to use it again. He skipped past a long week at work, then a stressful family gathering, then a painful breakup he saw coming for a while. And every time life felt heavy, uncertain or uncomfortable, he pressed skip. Days became weeks, weeks became years. He skipped grief, he skipped failure, he skipped boredom. And at first, he was happy because it felt like he had everything under control. But then one day, he woke up in a house he didn't recognize. There were photos on the wall of him laughing, celebrating, holding people he didn't even remember meeting. A child ran past him calling him Dad. He froze. He had skipped so much of life that life had moved on without him. The joy, the growth, the quiet in-between moments, he hadn't lived them. He had only arrived after they were all over. And that's when he realized something very unsettling. He realized you can't selectively skip pain without also skipping its meaning. And now think about it. The moments we want to fast forward, though, are often the ones that shape us the most. Waiting teaches us patience. Failure builds resilience. Heartbreak deepens empathy. Even boredom, and yes, I mean boredom, creates space for ideas, reflection, and sometimes unexpected creativity. And if you skip to the good parts, would they still feel good without the contrast? Would success mean anything if you never struggled? Would love feel the same if you never risked losing it? So the question is, would I use the skip button? Honestly, I'd be tempted. I'm sure each one of us would. But I know I'd resist it. Because life isn't just a highlight reel. It's the awkward pauses, the messy middles, the slow burns. It's the parts we wish away that quietly become the story. So maybe the real question isn't whether we'd use a skip button. Maybe it's this. What moments are you trying to skip right now that might actually be worth living through? Think about it. And have a great week ahead of you, everyone. And we'll speak to you again next week. Take good care of yourselves. Bye for now.